A day May 24.
Yes, I'm Roman, and today we'll try the Burger King Veggie Whopper sandwich. Let's go. First of all, I've only seen the Burger King Whopper. I think it's one of their special thing. Yeah. And I could never try it because it was not vegan until now. I always eat the fries first. That's cold. Dun, dun, dun. Veggie Whopper. Oh my god, it looks nice. It looks well nice. Wow. Get to the lettuce, the Whopper, I guess, or the veggie patty. Let me put the tomato here, 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 here. Let me just add some fries to make it delicious. Then some ketchup. Oh, there are pickles. There are pickles as well. Okay. Wow. This is good. This is actually good. There seems to be this sweet sauce. I'm not sure what it is. And the onions. I love onions. I can taste the fresh onions. Wow. It looks like they cut the onions this morning. It's well done. I made this video because I wanted to show you my reaction trying the Burger King Whopper sandwich, Veggie Whopper sandwich. But at the same time, I have my lunch there. So I really want to eat my lunch, so I'm going to merge them. I'll be back. So let's eat this bad boy. I hope this tastes good because I'm mixing a lot of different flavors here. This is now better than a Whopper. It's well good. It's amazing, yeah. I know I'm not the most elegant of eaters, so yeah. But when I am in public, I try to be normal. I try to be decent. It's also advised to not eat your food too fast or too quickly, but I always do. And that's how you do it, boys. That's how you kill a sandwich, a Whopper sandwich. Okay, my review. First of all, the sandwich was really nice. It was really lovely. I enjoyed it. It was juicy. You know, you usually say that a sandwich is juicy, but that's when there's meat. But that veggie sandwich, veggie Whopper was quite juicy. Maybe it was just the sauce. It was just the sauce that was added. I liked it. I would definitely eat it again. There was a part of it that was sweet. Maybe they put some sugar there, I'm not sure. Or Maybe it was when I added the ketchup and the fries and all of that was added to the mayonnaise and what else there was. The only problem though is what I encountered at the very end. Alright, I didn't finish that last piece there. While eating, I realized that the mayonnaise started getting to me. And that's when I realized that I can't eat any more of this. But I did anyway because I don't like wasting my money, but I left just a little bit where it was just plastic. I could have scraped it off, but I wasn't thinking of that. So if I were to give it a grade out of 10, I would strongly say 8. And when I think back to the first sandwich I had, the one here, and the second one, if I were to rate it, I would say the bacon one was the best, then this one, then the third one that I had. So I am officially trying everything on the Burger King's menu. Not really. Everything that's vegan. So if they have another vegan option soon, anytime soon, I will definitely try to let you guys know. So yes, I would definitely recommend the Burger King Veggie Whopper. It's Whopperlicious. Anyways guys, that is literally it for today. I just wanted to share this beautiful experience with you. Thank you guys so much and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao.